The 2027 Maybach GLS 780 takes ultra-luxury SUVs to an entirely new level, combining breathtaking design, cutting-edge technology, handcrafted comfort, and effortless performance into one extraordinary package. If you thought luxury couldn't get any better, this flagship SUV is here to prove otherwise. Designed for those who demand nothing but the absolute best, the new Maybach GLS 780 delivers a first-class experience whether you're sitting behind the wheel or relaxing in the executive rear seats. From every angle, this SUV commands attention with unmatched elegance and prestige. The front fascia is instantly recognizable with its massive, illuminated Maybach grille featuring signature vertical chrome slats. Slim digital LED headlights blend seamlessly into the sculpted front end, while the redesigned bumper adds a more modern and sophisticated appearance. Chrome accents are generously applied throughout the exterior without feeling excessive, emphasizing the handcrafted luxury that defines every Maybach model. The long wheelbase creates an imposing road presence, while exclusive 23-inch forged wheels give the SUV an elegant yet commanding stance. Along the sides, beautifully polished chrome window surrounds, power retractable running boards, and signature Maybach badging distinguish it from the standard GLS. At the rear, redesigned LED taillights stretch across the tailgate, complemented by elegant chrome trim and integrated dual exhaust outlets. Every detail has been refined to create one of the most luxurious SUVs ever built. Step inside, and the cabin feels more like a private luxury lounge than an automobile. Premium Napa leather covers nearly every surface, while handcrafted wood veneers, polished aluminum accents, and customizable ambient lighting create an atmosphere of pure sophistication. The seats offer heating, ventilation, massage functions, and multiple adjustment settings for unmatched comfort during long journeys. Rear passengers enjoy executive reclining seats with calf rests, folding tables, individual entertainment screens, wireless charging, and even a refrigerated compartment for beverages. A panoramic glass roof floods the cabin with natural light, making the spacious interior feel even more open and inviting. Mercedes' latest MBX infotainment system powers massive digital displays with advanced voice controls, augmented reality navigation, and seamless smartphone connectivity. A premium Burmester 4D surround sound system transforms every drive into a concert-like experience with exceptional audio quality. Under the hood, the 2027 Maybach GLS 780 is expected to feature a newly refined 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine paired with a powerful plug-in hybrid system, producing an estimated 780 horsepower and well over 750 pound-feet of torque. Power is delivered through a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission and Mercedes-Benz Form ATS all-wheel drive system. Despite its size and luxurious focus, this SUV is expected to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 4 seconds, delivering effortless speed whenever needed. Adaptive air suspension continuously adjusts to road conditions, providing an incredibly smooth ride that seems to glide over imperfections. Rear-wheel steering improves maneuverability in city driving while enhancing stability at highway speeds. Multiple drive modes allow drivers to choose between maximum comfort and more dynamic performance without sacrificing refinement. Technology also plays a major role in the driving experience. The latest driver assistance suite includes adaptive cruise control, active steering assist, automatic lane changes, 360-degree cameras, advanced parking assistance, traffic sign recognition, night vision, and next-generation autonomous driving capabilities for selected highways. Every journey feels safer, easier, and more relaxing. As for pricing, the 2027 Maybach GLS 780 is expected to start around $260,000 in the United States, with fully equipped models easily exceeding $320,000 depending on customization options. While that places it among the world's most expensive luxury SUVs, it also delivers a level of craftsmanship, exclusivity, technology, and prestige that few competitors can match. For buyers seeking the ultimate expression of luxury on four wheels, the 2027 Maybach GLS 780 stands as one of the finest SUVs ever created. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more luxury car reveals and automotive updates.